Hi everyone, I am Basil Kocha. I am the product manager at Realme. Today we have launched two different products in the Realme 12 Pro series. That is the first series that we have launched in the year 2024 in January itself. Coming from the last year that we already have a number series which is basically the most popular series that we have. It's the 11 Pro Plus phone that we launched last year, and we have tried to incorporate, we have tried to upgrade the phone in every way possible, wherein with the 12 Pro series we have two phones, 12 Pro Plus and the 12 Pro. With the 12 Pro Plus, we have, or both the phone comes with the vegan leather design. We have the telephoto lenses. We have a camera-centric phone, wherein if you really want to have good photos in terms of cinematic portraits, in terms of video as well, then you can go with the phone as well. It comes with the premium vegan leather design. There are different memory variants starting from 8 GB, 120 GB, that goes up to 12 GB, 256 GB. The price starts with the phone. It's 25,999 and goes up to 33,999, and with this one the phone would be available on realme.com, flipkart.com and the offline stores near you. So it's a first day sale discount that we have up to 2,000 rupees if you use ICICI bank cards, plus there is a no cost EMI option available for up to 12 months on both the with the existing products. So we have, in terms of the processor is upgrade, we are using the first time we are using a periscope camera, which is not available in this price point. So Realme is the first one that has bring the same, or I would say the high-end flagship camera in the mid-premium segment. It's a mid-premium segment. It starts from 25,000 rupees, goes up to 33,000 rupees. So there is no specific age group, but if I tell you that the most of the young people, because there is increase in trend in social media, videography, photography, and that is why we have a camera-centric phone. So if you do really create lots of reels, if you do really take lots of photos, even professionally as a hobby or just for a freelancing as well, so this phone would give you like a DSLR experience also.
Thank you.
Yeah.